son of Jonah.
Do you love me more than these? Yeah. You said you're right, said you stand, but fear crept in, you chose a crowd over me. 3 times you turned, 3 times you hid, but love came back right where you live. Not to expose you, not to shame, but to call you back by your name. Not condemnation, not defeat, but restoration in the street. What has your heart? What took my place? What are you holding? You won't replace. Do you love me?
Love me more than these.
More than you fear, more than what they see. Yeah.
What they see.
More than your goals, your plans, your dreams.
Do you love me?
Do you love me?
I'm the love you've been searching for, the one you so can't ignore. Lay it down, come follow me. Do you love me?
There's an image I made of you, a life designed before you knew, but you rearranged what I drew. Now I'm calling that truth out of you.
You made yourself and paused the call, afraid someone would see it all, but I still chose you. Even then I'm calling you to rise again. There was an assignment.
There was an assignment.
Before you met your Simon.
Before you met yourself.
Didn't create it.
Didn't create it.
You discovered it.
You discovered it.
So what's between us?
What are you serving? What has your heart that you're not surrendering? Do you love me? More than approval, more than worldly security.
More than tea.
More than the comfort you try to keep. Do you
love me?
Do you love me? Do you love me?
Do you love me?
Feed my sheep.
Yeah. Do you love me?
Feed my lambs.
Yeah.
Do you love me?
Let me restore you.
Do you love me?
Let me restore you.
Love me.
In you.
Yeah. My child. Do you love me? Let me call you back into the restored place. My love is greater. My love will cover you. I am the love you've been looking for. Do you love me?
Love me.
Do you love me?